Hi everyone and welcome back to Content Hub. Today's video it's going to be interesting guys. Ready? Let's go today topics.
Normal English, Advanced English. I'm very tired. I'm utterly exhausted. She is very smart. She is exceptionally intelligent. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm happy to see you. I'm delighted to see you. She works hard. She puts in tremendous effort. The food is very tasty. The food is absolutely delicious. Let's start. Let's commence. He is wrong. He is mistaken. It's a big problem. It's a significant issue. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain. It's not easy. It's challenging. I'm hungry. I'm famished. He's very busy. He's swamped with work. Can you help me? Could you lend me a hand? The weather is bad. The weather is dreadful. I'm going to think about it. I'll contemplate it. She's nice. She's delightful. It's expensive. It's costly.
If you any other questions by the way, please make sure to leave them in a comment for us and maybe we'll talk about in future. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support to Content Hub.